Please, because it's almost 1.5 hour, 1 hour 45 minute session. Already starting 5 minutes I revised. Now you are asking recap. How it is possible, guys? You missed the class. You are supposed to go through the document, right? Do you expect everything should happen in 1 minute? Please. Okay, ID automatically generated my ID here. Super. Okay, this is for edition. Let me add another document. C name, Rajesh. What is there, guys? Bill amount, this. Okay, company. What is there? HCA. Add up. That's good. One collection is there. Okay, fine, boss. Now, I'm interested in view document. Particular document is viewed or not there. We can have different views, boss. Tree view, that's one tree view. Next one, table view as a record it is coming. Next, JSON view as a JSON content it is coming. This is for viewing the document. Okay. Next one, update the document. Which document you want to update, that document you can update, guys. Okay. Suppose 10,000 I kept. Here, what is there? Update. Here is what? Update. Okay. Now you want to delete. Select the document and click on cross mark. Say delete. Yeah, the document got deleted or not there. Happily, the document got deleted or not there. Like this, we can perform what, guys? Okay. Like this, we can perform what, guys? Come on. All the code operation on mongoDB. Okay. It's like SQL developer for Oracle, guys. It's like MySQL workbench. It is very much similar to what? MySQL workbench. It is what? SQL developer for what? Oracle. Understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. So that's good. GUI DB tool. GUI DB tool. But we have not assembled for this, guys. We have assembled for application development, right? Okay. Array, listen. Adding username password is optional, but we can connect to logical DB without username password also. Earlier used to allow to add username password, guys. Nowadays they brought commercial community versions kind of thing. Right now what we are using is what? Community version. That's why in community version they have not given option of adding username password. Check it out. Select logical DB username tester password rewrite granted. Okay, users add user. Check it out. Select it, right click. Is there any option of users coming, guys? Is there any option of users is coming over here, guys? Not coming. So that means that option is not given now, my dear. Did they give the option? Yes, they have not given any option. Leave it. Fine. Okay. So without that also connectivity is possible, guys. Tell me. Developing document class whose objects represent documents of a collection of mongoDB. Employee ID, ENO, ename. These are attribute document one. These are attribute this one. And by keeping maximum possibilities of attribute, you have to design document class. Here, how many? 4 attributes. Here, how many? 5 attributes. In that one, few attributes might be missing, few attributes might be added, boss. Few attributes might be missing, might be added, right? So while developing document class, we have to keep those properties by representing maximum possibilities, guys. You have to keep those properties by keeping what? By keeping maximum possibility. What possibility, guys? Maximum possibility. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Yeah, Bhushan Patel, compass also can use. Compass is bit like heavyweight. Compass is bit heavyweight. This is lightweight one. Compass is bit heavyweight one. This is lightweight. Yeah, tell me guys. Document data, string ID. Property name must be ID, type should be string. Then only the MongoDB generated hexadecimal number value will be stored into this ID property automatically. No, sir. I don't want to depend upon MongoDB generated one. You can take any type, any name, but you have to manually maintain the uniqueness. You have to manually maintain the uniqueness, right? You have to manually maintain the uniqueness. Are you getting my point there or not there? If you want to use MongoDB generated ID value as the value of document object, then take string property value, having at the rate ID as the ID property as shown below. If you are not interested to use MongoDB generated ID value as the ID value of the document, then we can take the support of one or other generator support to generate what? ID value. Like UUID generator class, third party supplied generator. Are you getting my point? Yes, boss. If you are not interested to use MongoDB generated ID value, then we have to go for what? This. Ultimately, what? MongoDB generated value, hexadecimal number you want to store, string and ID. If you don't want to use, you can take your choice property. So conclusion is Java document object representing MongoDB document of a collection can have dynamically generated string value as ID value. That is version 1 best. Or custom string value as ID value given by ID generator. Or our choice property value as ID value. That is version. So ultimately what is recommended, MongoDB generated hexadecimal number. For that one, what should I do? In our document class, which is Java been annotated with at the rate document, you should have string type property whose name is ID. You should take string type property whose name is what? ID. That's good. We can perform code operation on MongoDB collection using what? Spring Data MongoDB in two ways. One is by using Mongo repository, other one is by using Mongo template. We are going to discuss both, guys. We are going to discuss both, no doubt in that. We are going to discuss both. Sir, in scheduling, I mentioned my mail ID, but it is not sending that message to my ID. In scheduling, I mentioned my mail ID. Which scheduling? No, for that one, you have to use Java Mail API, na Joya. Without using Java Mail API, how can you send mail messages? For that one, you have to use Java Mail API, right? Yeah, first one, create a project by adding Spring Boot Starter, Spring Boot Data, MongoDB, Lambbox API. And for connectivity, these are the properties we have to add. Okay. No hurry, burry. We'll develop one by one in front of you. Yeah, let's see. This is my document. Where is this, guys? 718. 719 or 718? Anything is okay, fine. Few projects here, few projects here. How does it matter? It's a common topic. Fine. Yeah. Now let me create a project here. New Spring Starter project. New Spring Starter project. Boot rest pros. What is there, guys? Boot rest pros. Boot rest pros. Boot mongoDB pros. Boot mongoDB pros one. Here. Yeah, we are going to do with the support of Mongo repository. What is there, guys? Mongo repository. Even jar given this. Spring Boot data MongoDB. Spring Boot data MongoDB. Say next. Lambda KPI. Okay. Lambda KPI. And then what we add? Spring Boot MongoDB. Spring data MongoDB. That's fine. This is to work with MongoDB directly. This is Spring Data MongoDB. Fine. Say next. Say finish. Fine, guys. Whatever the workspace. Where is the project? Here is the project. First, we have to connect it to MongoDB or not there. Application dot Spring dot data dot MongoDB dot Spring dot data dot MongoDB dot. Tell me post. What is there? Localhost. Spring dot data dot. What is there? MongoDB dot port. What is there? 27017. 27010. Array. Why yellow marks? Yeah, right now they changed, guys. Proper in recent version, data is removed, guys. Direct Spring dot data dot. Yes, data is not required. That's fine, no problem. Small change is there in Spring dot mongoDB dot database. mongoDB dot database. NTSPBMS. 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 Where is this? 719 DB. NTSPBMS 719 DB. Yeah. Yes, boss. Okay, I think these are for connectivity purpose now, guys. Yeah, this is what application dot properties, guys. This is what application dot properties. That's good. Resources. This is what application dot properties, guys. Come on. Everyone getting my point there or not? Yeah. Now I want to develop the document class. Let me develop the document class. New class. Employee. Yeah. Now let me put in a package called document. Let me put this one in a package called document. Super. Yeah. No. Okay. 1 minute. The node data is optional. The node data is optional in the case. No, node data is optional in the case. Private string ID. What is there, guys? Private string ID. Private string ID. Private string name. Private string name. Yeah. String ID. Private string EADD. Next, private string, private double salary. Private string salary. Tell me. At the rate date. At the rate data. Okay, fine. Yeah, and I have to take this one as ID property. No generators are there, but ID is compulsory. Yeah, fine. Okay. Yeah, internet is fine, guys. Internet is fine. All arg constructor. Here I'm keeping no arg constructor also. No arg constructor. Yeah, tell me. Get the rate non-null. No need of controlling lengths, guys, because these are not columns, no, they are just attributes. Length does not matter, really does not matter. Yeah, that's fine. We are ready with the document. Now we have to take one repository interface now. Right click, new package, com.nt.repository. Com.nt.repository. New interface. New interface. Yeah. iEmployee repository. iEmployee repository. Mongo repository. iEmployee repository. Mongo repository. Employee. Tell me, guys. Employee. Here is what? String. ID property is what? String. That's great. Okay, now listen, guys. No, suppose I have not given collection. Achha, you have to give at the rate document. That is compulsory. Suppose if you don't mention collection name, guys, the class name itself becomes collection name or not there, guys. At the rate document, where is this collection? Collection, tell me. Employee underscore doc. What is there, guys? Employee underscore doc. Yeah, the document. Required arg constructor, all arg constructor, no arg constructor. At the rate document, collection is equal to employee underscore doc. That's employee underscore doc. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, if you don't give class name itself becomes collection name. So now I have to develop what? Repository. Repository is also ready, guys. Okay, now let me take service class. Package com.nt.service. That's fine. Here is what? New interface. iEmployee management service. What's there, guys? iEmployee management service. Here is what? Public string. Save employee. Where is this? Employee. That's good. Yeah, same, guys. Array, long while teaching Spring Data introduction, what I said, it provides unified model to interact with both SQL and NoSQL database software. Okay. See, the most of the methods are same, guys. If you look at the hierarchy of Mongo repository, if you look at why you not taking integer, Praveen Kumar, please run Naina. Praveen Kumar, after listening entire Ramayana, you are asking, who is Sita? Sita is a girl, a boy, or third gender? Waste fellow. What is the ID property type here, guys? Don't just sit in front of system, my dear. Please show some patience. Please focus. Please stay focused.
और बात किया सर, बोले ठीक है और चैनल रिप्लेस कर दीजिए और बोला एमपी ब्लॉक का भी कर रहे हैं आप। मैं बोला सर बी ब्लॉक का कंफर्मेशन दिया आपने ट्राई सर ठीक करते अभी 1 घंटे में ए ब्लॉक का हो फिर आप कंफर्मेशन दिए तो कल उसको भी स्टार्ट करेंगे मंडे तक उसको भी वो बोला
Yeah, fine. Let it be, guys. Tell me. It's because the ID property type is taken string, right? ID property type is what? String.
ए ब्लॉक का ये टेबल सही है टाइल्स का वो भी निकल जाता है ना ट्रांजर सर्कल को 2-4 महीने 6 महीने में टाइल्स है ना सेम वर्क है ना फिर उसको क्या होता है ये टेबल्स को रिमेनिंग रखने के बाद में कराएंगे फिर लिमिटेड वेरिएशन होता है प्रॉब्लम होता है करना ही करना पड़ता है क्योंकि टाइल्स प्लाईवुड पर ज्यादा दिन नहीं चलता अगर टॉप के प्लाई ओके फ्रंट है ना फ्रंट साइड में टाइल्स नहीं चलता ना वो दोनों कर देंगे आपका कंफर्मेशन
Yeah, come back, guys. I think now you understood why I have taken string. Because we want to use mongoDB generated hexadecimal number, right? And hexadecimal number is always going to be alphanumeric value. Alphanumeric value must be stored in what? In a string variable. You know that, right? Okay, that's fine. Let it be, guys. I employee repository, guys. That's good. Now here, this is there. Okay, now let me develop the implementation class. Right click, class, employee management, service IMPL, interface, employee management service. Okay, finish. Employee management service. Okay, this. @service. That's good. Tell me. Wait. Tell me. Employee repository. What is this? EMP repo. @auto. @auto. Yeah. Tell me here, where is this? User repo. Yeah, user repo. Int, not int, guys, it's a string. String ID val is equal to emp repo dot save. Emp repo dot save emp dot id. That's employee document is saved. What is this? With ID value plus ID value. With ID value plus ID value. That's good. Fine, guys. Service okay. Now, I want to test whether it is working or not. How to test? Generally, we can test. See, guys, if you look at the hierarchy of Mongo repository, guys, Mongo repository is a MongoDB specific repository. That also extends from what, guys? Look at the hierarchy in 2.x. Spring Boot 2.x. Mongo repository extend from paging and sorting repository, crude repository. It looks like only 7 method, but we can actually work with what? 14 plus 7, 21 methods, guys. 14 plus 7, 21 methods, right? Yes. Yeah, 14 plus 7, 21 methods. We can actually deal with the 21 methods, right, boss? Mongo repository, list crude repository, listing and paging repository. Yeah, this is in 3.x. This is in 3.x. This is what extends. This is what extends. This is what extends. This is what extends. Extends. Common repository interfaces. What is that? Common repository interfaces. Everyone getting my point there or not there? That's good. Extends, extends, extends. So that means indirectly we can work with crude repository methods also, now my idea. Fine, that's good. Okay. Now listen. No, Yogesh Tapade you can use, but you have to develop two different repositories. In one project, you can talk to both SQL and MySQL. It's not like that. You can use, guys, but you have to develop two different repositories, no doubt in that. You have to develop what? Two different repositories, no doubt in that. Right. That's great. Yeah. Yeah. Go to the runner class, guys. Okay, let me develop the runner class. New package com.nt.runners. Yeah, there I'm looking for what? Okay, Mongo repository test run. Mongo repository test run. This is my command line runner, guys. Save finish. Mongo repository test run. Then @ component. Yeah, private @ component. Private employee management service. EMP service. @ auto. There, guys, @auto. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yes, guys. Now let's observe this. Try block, guys. Try block, guys. Tell me. Am I audible, guys? Are you getting any disturbance? Are you getting any voice? Because in my community, yeah, how to interact with more than one database? Yeah, it's good now. Okay, fine. Yeah, where is this? Employee EMP is equal to new employee. What is there? Raja. Address is what? Hyderabad. Salary is this. Salary is this one. Salary is this. Everyone getting my point there? Or we have to call the use service. String MSG is equal to EMP service dot save employee of system dot out dot println MS catch exception key v dot print stand. Let's see. Right click, run as Java. Employee document is saved with ID value. Okay. Employee document is saved with ID values. That's good, guys. That's good. That's good. $719 customer. I think it's not. I think I have to check whether it is injected or refresh all. Yeah, you can see. Array, what's the logical database I have taken, guys? Any idea? 719 DB. Yes. 719 DB. Okay, I think I got it. I got it. Yeah, employee underscore doc, open init shell. You can see the insertion of the document or go for a table view. We have taken what? Table view, guys. Okay, now I will take one extra, this one, guys. Location. Company name. Company. No problem. Array, dynamically growing structure means mongoDB. No? Now I'm adding extra property. Okay, go to the runner. Here I set this. emp dot set company. It's emp dot set company, right? Yeah, that's good. Save this, guys. Okay, run as a Java application. See, that extra attribute will come dynamically or not. Definitely that extra attribute will come or not. Fine. Guys, give me 2 minutes time. I'll go